That has got to be the saddest catch of a fish. You just dropped it.
And it's still bigger than one you caught.
Oh, that was mean.
It's true though.
There you go.
Yeah! Look at this. Danielle, look at me. She caught one.
Yeah.
Nicholas, look at me.
Yeah.
Show me the fish. I can't see it. Gotta get it close. I still can't see. Lift. There you go. Awesome. And I haven't caught any. That's not true. Oh, look at this. Get out of the way, Danielle. I want to see him catch it. Oh, it's another tiny little thing. That's probably the biggest fish Wayne's caught so far today.
Another one. Oh, it fell off.
Nothing?
Oh. Nope. Almost got it. I keep feeling it and it's like...
Are you having fun, Danielle? Are you having fun?